Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your monitor resolution and choosing an HD image that matches it. This prevents stretching or pixelation. Once done, pick a JPG or PNG and save it to a dedicated folder like Pictures/Wallpapers so you can find it fast. Make sure the file name is simple and avoid edited copies until after testing. Now open File Explorer and navigate to that folder so you can apply the wallpaper immediately You open Settings by right-clicking the desktop and choosing Personalize, then click Background to begin. Select Picture and click Browse to pick the HD file from your folder. This is where you control how the image displays. Choose the Fit option. Fill will crop to cover, Fit will scale without crop, and Center will keep original size, then preview on your monitor. If you use multiple displays, make sure to set each individually, or apply to all screens to maintain consistency. You finish by confirming the wallpaper appears correctly and setting the same image for the lock screen if you want consistency. For multi-monitor setups, you can right-click an image in the Photos app and choose which monitor to assign it to, or pick individual images in Settings. If the wallpaper looks blurry or stretched, check that the image resolution equals or exceeds your display native resolution and change the Fit option. That one change fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.